episode for GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Nkwa enamede bramo. Enuti so nyan subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. The obe an say obe click the subscribe button. Na wa barely a notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person I want sa ebe kan here sa video. Afi we na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi shema Ato Forson na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha afi yenhwe eye ensemo abeto yepno so yenti eye sa report ya ababetudwa yenti eye sansemi.
Then I push a call. Me friend is a big man in the new patriotic party, and when it comes to coalition his part was it Franko mada and I'm chairman Franko mo form kwase asem kran fan fini pass nko so is America form kwase asem nko mo say okutu bi sky da ma mo se bon chema media for na mo discount na ma metina sen ha media for get modi America awuni David media budget was 300 billion 300 billion 30 million Ghana me na me catch no scan way Kwabena say na yi me ka boaje what the nyama sema what the no that me say 30 million Ghana cedis 300 billion eyes and NPP na mo skasa this election mo put this for aban bia or power uska. That is why they fight, they kill people to be in power, because there are some kind of benefits that you derive if you are in power. Tell Jacob for the catcher say a yes or security man wabem, there's already general secretary in opposition. Don't joke with it, Shabu. Afenyo Markins, okay, he's sitting on a tambo. To say what film NPP headquarters and what yes, they are not decide. And some American, be last no wait matters and go for any information the answer ya dey. Lasisi, as we speak today, me no can say Afenyo Markins is about 95%. So only minority leader. 95% of being removed. So only minority leader because of Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. Those are the I'm going to tell you stuff. Lasisi, Franko, okay, say maybe me catch you say there's going to be an Arab Spring from the eastern region. Yeah. Ejabi Soba. Take this for me. The next internal election that the NPP will go for, if another decide not to support Bawumia, nobody should surprise. They're not all supported by Bawumia. Me say, the new patriotic star Aremeyaw campaign for 2024 elections. Over from margin. Maybe say, we are $150 million. Sabla Sisi, Minya no NPP headquarters, $461 million. Sika $461 million. And Aremeyaw campaign. Anna Omari Fotosi. And I commit $50 million, $100 million. Are they? So almost say, Omun is about Yabelus. No Kobo Dimas, but only can be toward the action. No money is over Lucy. This is Lucy and one Yakono. Go and check national executives for the board. Dr. China, because I'm saying down for Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong, and he was showing support to Kennedy Agyapong position. I'm telling you. So much as the cause of Kennedy Dr. China did $461 million. Sika $461 million. And Aremeyaw campaign. Anna Omari Fotosi. And I commit $50 million, $100 million. Are they? So almost say, Omun is about Yabelus. No Kobo Dimas, but only can be toward the action. 20 cities per head. Can 20 cities per head. I'm not 20 million. Mr. 2022 as you know why? Because almost about power and Bawumia asset. He has a hidden agenda against Bawumia. So they are going to make him a useless and national executive of the NPP. They will use him and dump him. But I have a lot of information about him. Let me tell you one thing. The company phone aspect. Papa will come COVID by a agenda 111. This man wanted to also help and manufacture based agenda 111 hospitals. A true NPP person who is a national treasure goes to the chief of staff office. Go there on 3 occasions. So one non-consuming to me surprise our hospital based. How can the chief of staff deny the party national? Say they should come and tell us like them go. Same way I'll come but with a mood too, my friend. I mean, they are going for meeting. National Executive National Council. They are going for a meeting. Asaka for that may capture us one about say in some Pia Bonte. Now people have even rescinded their decision. Then Kazan Komo Chama President Nephew and commit Lambasa Takeno. They are ready to face him as a president. But the leader of the party will be already doing this thing against unity. Then we can take decisions and do meetings. But I'm talking to you today as a brother. They want to go after him. But why? But I is they want to go after him. Akufo Addo. Shabu, we see meeting, meeting about question I had my Thursday. NPP Nibia should do his checks. If I'm lying, the person will come and tell me. Thursday, NPP for Corner Thursday we are re-echo. Don't be surprised if the NPP give amnesty to conform more party to my free party. I was agenda number one. It is on their radar number one. Don't be surprised if the NPP goes to Kojo Kyeremanteng, speak with him, rescind your decision and come back to the NPP. Oh, good movement for change now. Say, say Kojo Kyeremanteng as the leader of the movement. They are going to contact him, tell him, rescind your decision. We are giving you amnesty, come back to the NPP. It's about 95%. So on your minority leader, 95% of being removed. So on your minority leader because of Kennedy Agyapong. You know me, blue blood. You know me, say even when I am crabba. Not as I have to criticize them constructively, I will say it. Yes. If I have to praise them, I will say it. Sure. You know me. Yeah. So maybe I'm any opportunity that I get, I speak the truth. Nothing by the truth. Okay. And Shabu, Franko. And people should fasten their seatbelt. Franko so be on the seatbelt. So me damubi. O the MC NPP. Bula no kwa MC o muka so mo pam ni pa swimming na kan pa ba kwa na se damubi. Me damubi. They are going for meeting. National Executive Council, they are going for a meeting. Thursday. So now we are part of NPP. Also, I see they are going for a meeting. National Council for that may capture us one about say in some Pia Bonte. Now people have even rescinded their decision. Think as I'm Komo Chama President Nephew and commit Lambasa Takeno. They are ready to face him as a president. Shabu. Let's say. First, now come again and say, we are allowing the president to exit the seat, whereby the leader of the party will be already doing this thing against unity. Then we can take decisions and do meetings. But I'm talking to you today as a brother. Brah, don't joke with it. Address it as a president. They want to go after him. They want to go after him. Akufo Addo. Shabu, we see meeting, meeting about question I had my Thursday. 2nd January, NPP. Also more Nasa Council. Me say NPP Nibia should do his checks. If I'm lying, the person will come and tell me. Thursday, NPP for Nasa Council. Thursday we are. Thursday they are going for a meeting. People meeting no best was and you will come to Kunufus and part of National Council conducting we and National Council all the regional chairman Sabu, Mrs. is not going to be an easy thing. You meet him in Bawumia baby. I'll give you what is on the table, men will give you the agendas. We need committee, but name the I'll give you the agendas. I'll give you what the NPP intends to keep on Mrs. I'll tell you as a brother. They won't pay the paper, they won't find one trade. They won't pay the paper, they won't find one trade. Shabu, then be a catcher, me send the crayon back. The truth is always a better pill. Then be a catcher. Send the amount for who said no, Yapapano. Sarah, so the women who are pardon, and Kofu, they speak the truth, they speak truth to power, homophobia. Homophobia, they will tell you the truth. You papa one casa come is going to bosom me can say, hey George, there are men who pass what you can't say the year campaign, I'll come after you because I will address you as a politician. Papa do say, so free men who call for more, I'll bring him back to the lane and I'll address him as a politician. Can I compare upon the song or generate your coffee on a bus? And some is about your bus and other accounts as I say. You're making the road transport to Shabu, say about your bus, and you're one Casasama. That's easy, Franko. Don't be surprised. Okay. I repeat, don't be surprised. Re-echo, don't be surprised if the NPP give amnesty to conform more party to my free party. I was agenda number one. It is on their radar number one. Some amnesty. Any man for say Alan Mo, Hopeson Mo, Lasisi. Asame. I repeat again, message. Meeting number one. Amnesty in the number one. Someone for amnesty say, wow, Uji Bonibia, a palm free party, and I want to be a free party over such a man. Yes, Aguna West, Singapore Consul, Yapam Nipper 270 pound one crash watching it. Sabi Pombam one was watching it. Don't be surprised if the NPP goes to Kojo Kyeremanteng, speak with him, rescind your decision, and come back to the NPP. And I'll answer the course of Baswa. No, the Yamasama or free party, me and Sakwaba, or Yamasama. A honor, and Yamasama. Miss oh, good movement for change. I say, Miss say, Kojo Kyeremanteng as the leader of the movement. They are going to contact him, tell him, rescind your decision. We are giving you amnesty to come back to the NPP. But said Alan so 80. Back that's a omoko that's Alan ko pick form ke benya message what dem say me and I got awarding ya no mo bianka what dem say okay NPP for agenda na me ka kire say they want to give some amnesty to Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng ene nkofo be no more party no a omjai koy ya pam o ya ka say o ma forfeit o membership no don't be surprised if they come back they'll print a new membership card me say Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng is one on the radar okay they want to speak to Alan. If they are able to convince Alan, the subordinates of Alan will follow. Make it offer from Tomasino. Maybe I'm passing my information. Okay. I'm just giving out my information. Shabuasma make to amnesty. I have 98% trust. Level of degree of confidence in 98. Error of magnitude. I'll make my call some more. Party me different party. Yes, sir. Mamma Quanta Monsambra. Mumma party said, Munya Bonida. Lasisi, they say they are going for amnesty. Okay. They are going to see big men in the NPP. They will talk to them and tell them to Jack, the best. Yes, they are rescinding your decision, come back to the new patriotic party. Let's move as a unit or a force and make sure say 98% don't joke with it. Say command be amnesty. Yes. Yes. Omo say division didn't help the party. Omo say cap and fashion didn't help the party. Omo say autocratic leadership, suppressing of the will, driving through and through NPP members away didn't help the party. It is time they have to sit down to identify the problem, give solutions to the problem, and go and bring Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Obi to say no into mu, Hopeson Adorye mu, Sadiq Boniface mu, omo maka ya sam chama Kennedy mu, ayi akwa fence na say nyamo. Ene sa nkofo ni ayi papa yi. Oh, me papa, Mr. Amwa. They have to bring everybody on board. Mr. Amwa, no, a polling station to chairman, and he was giving out his best financially. He was doing everything possible to help the NPP. The NPP for na Kwaku Annan said, "Debbie, we have to give amnesty to this kind of people." And it's in Tamar, so don't be surprised he will get an amnesty and come back to the NPP. Don't be surprised 274 members of the NPP who are going west. I say they are bringing them back. They are bringing me so big. Most of my forfeiting the membership issues. They are bringing back the person to the new patriotic party. To watch now, Masadu way the Wakoshi from the pool. Afenyo Markins. Nipa. Who before Aqua is Siwaso. You be able to catch you, yes, be a woman for Yeduma. Among whose own years I chain will be a way the name you work it will. May say, among whose own years I chain will be a. The Yansan and chain will be a cast in young finery. This is one boy and a pickle. No, say, hey, baby, and I'm saying, baby, papa. And yes, your footwear is a clean pages and sorry. Says NPP for dance for him. But sorry, there's so now the catch on the emergency unit. On that, say this there's a intensive care, the oxygen in the also. I told you. Now the NPP, now the kind of problems are urban. So now solve problems in Shabu, they will stay in opposition for long. I'm telling you. People be going after people. I'm telling you, don't joke with it. So I'm saying so But do you have knowledge about the national executives or fit? I will some be content. Me say and then the kitami. My say make the gumi trimu my training and the make be MPP paying for no more national headquarters no or maybe say I hear from the Franko and this kind of information if here to the biameka chabu me no we should remain neutral, we should remain objective, we should remain sincere. Young canokre my be MPP surgery another way the Bruce surgery clear he said none of the Agyarko. Into me, over some way. said a man for so jide we muno. Always yen kanokore. We should forget about what made them catch us. I know people agree and disagree with me on matters. This is me. If I say that I'm not chance I deal with and it's here, papa, I'll take me and say it here. And a good baby, you know the kind of attacks and problems that we have gone through. Everybody might meet with the moves. Kwabena Agyapong won't come catch us. Then we'll be to my two. Say, I'm not to me, some members of member me, Pashad. Message, what Casamebois. Nami and Matthias, the Omer Piaba want to hear amnesty. The NPP is thinking of a roadmap to bring all their people back. Or more money in our crop of fast, that they are bringing them back. The prodigal son and prodigal daughters. Any one has before former and alarm for yes. Last easy, Franko here. Now, it is a chief Bahabe Kasai. The one has a constituency, then the almost 12 billion. And yes, such chief got 12 billion. Last time, it was right to the figure. Okay. Shabla Sisi, but I'll do right figure neighbor. Me say, every constituency of 1.8 million Ghana cedis. What's it? Every constituency MPP ahead of this election, every constituency be 1.8 million Ghana cedis to do campaign. That's 18 billion on the election day. So, yes, with a so kind of 18 billion. Yes, election day scanner. Momo cancer. Omo the base go team Momo kwa 18 billion. 18 billion. Chief got on only 14. So what dance you? Okay, say 14 billion. Me say 18 billion. 18 billion. Mami cancer. And the chairman for the debut. What am I say? Abraham Yeboy. E be no ma say Shabla si se be mo 200 billion. Fabra Ashtown ha. Na bra me ye adwuma ye ntoba ma. Yeah. E mo be 1 billion. Or I be ye adwuma ma ya toba de ba. You know why? Come come dia man for charge. Don't care about the money. Man for quarter how more. They don't care about the money. Your money teams are this is a fine opportunity for me to offload you, so I don't care about how you feel. That's it. Franko later. As I said, Ghana need never be elections and you should not even venture into 276 constituencies. On the day of election, the budget here 118 billion, 1.8 million Ghana cedis to every constituency. 276. Yes. We want calculate or on calculate. Men are make catch now. Now, some of the cosi MPP. They said they mean so much higher party. Greediness. Personal. Now, I'm almost some of them. I'm giving time for from the confident traders. Shabu, take this 18 billion and cocoa to 20 yao. Secure my this person. I mean, handsome child. Asante Bediatuo. Let's come to buy 84.6 million Ghana cedis per 47 constituencies. The record chama also will need the Yamasem. Do you know say if you look at 18 billion constituency be what scale could be constituency 900,000. 18 billion could be 9 billion. I'm telling you, every day 1 million Ghana cedis. Every day 1.4 billion. Scanan Kasani 1.8 million Ghana cedis. 18 billion. The buy regular time of phone be at scan so. Scan so. Shabu. We see someone name one. At scan so see. Hey, your man said baby scan for the uncle because the new Bawumia will lose. I'm telling you, I think I don't know the budget so by when first came in court top up. Let's say they knew Bawumia will lose. They knew it. So they took the money. And pocketed the money. Pocket it. Tajure the moment so money no man fan kwan. You see about say one year watching. And no mama sama. We person mo say assembly ani peka bia no. Ye mo yesle mu nka o sai. We have a lot of evidence and facts. Before the bia me ka asem kire say. Me I'm a neutral journalist. I have my strength and my weakness. Yeah. When it comes to NDC, maybe I may say, I'll short fall a little bit. Any problem about coming in Sammy. And a young coffee, I know them in the NDC. But for the NPP, wow party, let's see. A former director of communication. May say, on one day, somebody baba. And on one day, somebody banning young crown. Say, yes, your dear Sam, to near the just one make a young crown to say. Me feel say, me they say, a reporter speech of the assembly. No hobby. They give them empirical evidence. You know, mouth and kind, not catch no. For the fact that they go from Quanam to you. Ye mammy said, me can kind glance it through, say, Franko cannot cre my. This is the party. Yeah, we are party in the Guseto. I'm telling you, Shabu. What them say? Baby, I'm now called national election 38% here. Shabu, baby, I'm a teacher, make Kasa, a Yumana me. And this cano, Ebina 1.2 million, Ebina 900,000, Ebina 1 million. Do you know how they did it? No. Or which was a polling station with the issue. Constituency number of delegates. Yes, and for this kind of buy him. A woman signing now. This kind of buy say Enco 1.8. Constituency. Yes, woman signing now. It's fair to the number of delegates. Woman signing now. But some regular executive constituency executives decide they say come back pocket is can be. It is because our polling station with the house. It is more 100 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. One of us have now too late. You know them say, I dear bet some of my trouble. And I shan't read this guy. I would have done and after this kind of constituency. So, I never bet me a trouble. Now, when you have pass up a so many elections, and can't come back 1 month or 2 months now with patience here. What Kaiser and a cut a trouble and we I'm a teach studio and I wanted to get correct, concrete information. Then I push a call. Me put on my friend is a big man in the new patriotic party. And when it comes to coalition, he's part. Was it Franko Mada? Chairman, Franko mo form kwasa some crowd fini person ko. So some make yeah. Form kwasa some komo so ku to be. Ah, sky da mama sabon chema media for na mo discount na na met na say am. Ah, media for get modi. Ah, me ka awuni. David. Media budget was 300 billion. 300 billion. Sabu 300 billion. 30 million Ghana. Me na me catch no. Scan way. Kwabena say na yi me ka boaje. What the Yamasama? What the no may say 30 million Ghana cedis, 300 billion. I say, and NPP not more scassa. This election, more put it a bambia or power whisker. That is why they fight, they kill people to be in power. Because there are some kind of benefits that you derive if you're in power. Tell Jacob for the catcher say, a yes or security man wabam, there's already general secretary in opposition. Don't joke with it, Shabu. Don't joke with it. Some security or party or teabam. Yes, that's some opposition party general secretary. Shabu, Franko, media. Dear partner, but make us say MP for media need in so they can stand behind them and help them. That be 10 million Ghana cedis missing neck yeram. Scanira. I know one cast of Massamo. Shabu, and I can't match. And then that's Franko. And then a national council meeting there, Massa, and so we see yes and two. Ah, no, I make a Diana. But Franko, I can't say. Mahu, I mean, also with you. Why? I been number one thing. Yeah, Mamma, Anna, Mama, Austin, father, and Tosona. Yeah, and a dozen was it. Bawumia takes up full cost of new members, now new NPP members card nationwide. What can the NPP National Treasurer, Dr. Chana, disclose to party members the whereabouts of 4,403,100 Ghana cedis to Bawumia? Also, Dr. Bawumia gave him as payment for the issuance of NPP ID cards to party executive across nation. Dr. Chana, over to you. Dedikai. Jamaica as a party, they will still continue to have problems. Party, they will still continue to have problems because of fashion and camps. And they also Cambo. They will not look at the merits and demerits of the matter, but always they will think about selfish interest first. As I'm okay, and then ask them, are there about security platforms and which you never know? I agenda, I'm not catching out. I agenda, we're 2022 as the old what do you mean by 2022 as are there about platforms and election is say when it comes to this kind of issues, especially internal issues of the NPP, it is my stronghold. Are there about fresh I come and say Dr. Chana takes up full cost of new NPP members card nationwide. I was say can the NPP last season? I mean, true. Adiawi. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia said they have to do party card for party members of the new patriotic. That the police is yes, almost 210,000. Yes, and no more. We have 45 million. Say 40.5 million. So I 4.5 million guys. 40.5 billion. And on the more. So money. no mufanya sa ayi. Now if you look at the thing Dr. China you always have problem because you don't like it. Because of the discipline aspect, the straightness, they are always having issues with him.
Okay.
The one is Canefa, and it's kind of person made this kind of rough off. So a lot of party people who think about the peculiar interest always fight this particular man.
Okay.
My castle and so.
Meet you.
Scano. Papa ne castle to play easy. Where you are in a woman NPP at Maconin. May I for many pabaco. Let decentralize it. The men Maba says NPP or printing press. Oh, Ashtown. Franko NPP or printing press. Let's identify these kind of people. Let's disperse the money to them.
Okay. No print the castle.
Printing. Say the bear also catch us also put Tom and nothing to also in some a section of the NPP National Executive said there. No more Jim the Mass until the 20 gabby in call for no more years. I mean, all print 20 cities per head. Can 20 cities per head. All printing in Nasabo. Miss Addo 2022 assembly.
I was a commercial there.
Do you know why? Because almost a papa and Bawumia assembly.
On Bawumia assembly.
Shabu, you may mean cancer maybe away. Almost a papa on Bawumia assembly. He has a hidden agenda against Bawumia, so they are going to make him a useless and national executive of the NPP. Papa, they will use him and dump him. But I have a lot of information about him. Let me tell you one thing. You imagine something in Casa Assembly. Papa, the Pon can't some bois. The company friend Aspa.
Dr. John,
let's go and can't some bois. America, the company friend Aspa.
And where they want to do you.
Daddy, I'm not to hospital bears and this animal, manufacture hospital bears. The castle natural. So a panic, Papa no Otia, Upa Winina, the only don't try on fancy and say, they make an on can't some bois. You may say, you'll be see. Papa will come out, covered by a CSA agenda 111. This man wanted to also help and manufacture beds for agenda 111 hospitals. A true NPP person who is a national treasure goes to the chief of staff office, go there on 3 occasions. So among one, now consume to me surprise our hospital beds with one farmer. Hey,
how can the chief of staff deny the party national treasure?
They should come and tell them
like coming, but with a mood to my Franko. Shall be coming, but party treasure. Shall I go chief of staff and what can I say? You all hear beyond some minimum. But what can I say? I want to explain to you, say, me say, Papa will be able to make a bias natural, the kind of issue. Papa, we say the company fell aspa on Kancham Samewa. I will manufacture hospital bed. Yes. Agenda 111 of person of class supply beds need to be get me as a party person or mama. Or command what the first one or choir, Mammy San in San Calete, second call with 2 Teslam, third one crowd of crowds, one catching a man above you. Miss Walk on 3 occasions, 3 times. Hey, Shabu, me say, later for the young contract. And for foreign young contract. Hey, we are saying, let's see, contract. And almost when you are break. So, I'm going to pass our hospital factories are omitted. And I'm called Aspa for no. Some crime money in come. Like even after the jurisdiction of Ghana, we hear Nigeria for any other countries for the Jim hospital based in Mahama talk at the call and you know and you're sure in terms of quality come. Then let's do business. No problem. Or maybe be catch NPP for some catch on. They should come and tell me I'm lying. I'm not coming with being commands where you call guarantee and say bread, who soon why I'm more. No, say Aspa. I'm say no, say Aspa, no catch on Massa. Say Casa Papa win qua just hospital base. Ish. Do you price here? Do you say, Opa Bisan a friend say, the company did your friend say, do you Papa friend say, Dr. China, names that China no more for Dr. China. Do you need be in cha? Now, all fans sending no missions are Franko Casa Assembly and Okran say, Yanokre. So, company be in friend Aspa. Tell me information. I would have made you the information. Shabla Sisi Franko. Do you know say every national executive? Papa, what can I say? Me can't send 3 and watch it. Don't say every national executive, Ebiano or the board so. Or the 10 national executive, or the board so. Maybe the 2, 3. Me say, they should tell me I'm lying. Then you enough for you know that they well, not that well. Then the numbers will be free. And know the almost preserve for the national chairman. Memoir. Nankana for the do tell me free so am person will be free so. Go and check. National executives for no the board so. Dr. China we because I'm saying down for Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyarko and he was showing support to Kennedy Agyapong position. I'm telling you.
Ah, la sisi.
No, I don't know where Kennedy Agyapong.
Hey, almost so. Anawuni. Uni so much chance and cause any panic.
Dr. Chana dear. Ye number ye can campaign Minsiano said that and one can be better on papa and can tell me.
Minchu. The NPP national executives openly, publicly declare say they are not going to support anyone. Okay, proud to the internal elections. Okay, Omo, senior members, executive members of the NPP go to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, declare their support for him. Now in the conversation, the copies of Dr. Chana no ye or Bawumia and also Alan and also Avia or Gyamfi Kennedy. 3 times delegation went to him, wanted to seek for his input and opinion. Who his support was on some party on some nipa. Last is never say Bisano. Ebia unim nana. And a number of Bisan said Franko say. You know, be echo. And yet, the American say Nimbiano. May come be a surplus. Let's say, Papa, we, Dr. Channel. Dr. Charles. Now I want to give you a demi Baba BC, but very, very explosive. Oh, that thing. That's not for the channel. Hey, Master Nation, Miss Ru. And also information about Nasisi. NPP, Omokwa Kotraban. Do you know say Papa Mama position there? The national treasure. In terms of campaign. How? Nana saw some working. Say, the 14, I got 18 billion constituency. Tell the national treasure. Only more. He is just a shadow treasure. Shadow. One Namokeke. A dinosaur, he's just a shadow. Meka baby will be quite bonasumpe, Mekacho. That means what me done you. And I did be a mere cabia means no cribiano. I don't fear. Yes, easy. Franko hater. Do you know, say, campaign? Papa na catch your point blanks that. Campaign, he found the national treasure to because every disbursement should come for the national treasure. Bawumia catch and say, or the never pay baby. Yes. Or pay baby the national treasure, I say. Or say, national treasure, or the pay baby the national. Bawumia Munakada. Do you know the person who was operating the financial aspect, the inflows and the outflows of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia? Dr. Lulu. Dr. Lulu. Why then? I mean, so head of finance of the Bawumia. Yes, head of finance at Bawumia office. No, now guess a position whereby Nippon the running campaign is for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia at the expense of the treasure. Dr. Lulu. Let's see. I'm not make catch I party treasure thinking. Anna will be a 1 year party elected person, 1 year appointed person, 1 year run party no seek accept. What say? The electoral commission mandate to say if you look at elections now, the cash flow and the outflow, they pay revenue expenses beyond the political parties should come and render services to them. I'm a file electoral commission. And I'm also post election financial report. Listen, my name, I check in now. Post election financial report. Now, Dr. Lolo, no one ever said, Ayalolo. Or no more, I catch Dr. China say. Dr. China, then come, Dr. China should append his signature. No more fast report, no, and from electoral commission. Or no church about not Dr. China at the stamp position. At the answer, say, at the call as the party. I'm telling you, as I'm going to answer one case of Massamo. Message is from one case of Massamo. Tell me, it's Jack and Sammy Aboban. I know a party, Massa. Your party, Massa, your party. He said, and some, you said me, yeah, and also be a Kobiko boy. One as one as a week of boy. Come out by election. Masua Wuya, or my book by election. And the NPP for so we here's a campaign. So, you're a coach chief of staff, you're a coach chief of staff. I'm coach chief of staff. I am for me. But I'm a I'm coach chief of staff for bringing him command me. Because I am a person of boom, the men. So, Mudim Commona. And no more catch chief of staff said, try not to call South Africa. Try not to carry the city so a disbursement. Or no cost South Africa, the on first can and more. Because the chief of staff is also having a problem with the national treasure. Because the full and the national treasure no, is not in their camp. One friend national treasure can be said, okay. No cuckoos can demand brand team, if I shan't encourage her. No Mujiscano. na circulate wo nya so scan kwa kudi Dr. China ho no man community e into mo pena won tumi share won tumi like I scan no so mix ka bia ni ho no chief of staff mo scan no so mix ka bia ni ho no yes scan ka bia ni ho ye beka na wo I tell sabotage campaign. Yes. Cause sika wo ho e be ran let's sika ni wa. A chom ko he no. Franko fo bi mu ze no ade na ba bi di omo so ye konkan ne akwakoka. Akini popo akoji sika no. Akini popo akoji sika no. Shabla sisi. O ma sika na de ko. Me treasure ni nim no. Onye madamfo. But have a lot of information about him. And I'm saying some American. The me kan ya shabla sisi o mu twan fan koma na se Franko say. Na ni Paul jini di fam no ni nkomo bi sa Franko kan no kra na se nya no kre. Like it's a kuno we ever call by election. Akini popo akọ chief of staff was say one first can mom na treasurer was South Africa. Me we not treasurer so oh krema. But treasurer need chief of staff no enya fine. But say chief of staff no ko to me friend kwa. Ya me count as individual difference shabu ye mahin. Shabu e Austin camp. Franko papa ya camp. Sada me no ko bi nkomo. We don't care that we belong to the same party. Who knows Franko follow. And what some crab nipa no he doesn't look at objectivity. Owe mahin. Sadam dey he say me gina so take any decision I want to take. Yeah, this can make him popofo no. Na pa scan be sinne. Omreja tum. Oh la sisi. Na scan say ni see. What. Scan say. La sisi. Franko header. Me do call parliament. Okay. Afenyo Markins. Okay. He's sitting on a tambo. To say what free NPP headquarters and what yes them are not decide. And some American ebia last no wait matter kasa engofo anya information di ense ya dwen lasisi as we speak today me no kasa yi Afenyo Markins is about 95% so onye minority leader 95% of being removed so onye minority leader because of Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong those are the I'm going to tell you stuff lasisi Franko later okay say me catch you say there's going to be an Arab Spring from the eastern region. Yeah. Ejabi Soba. Take this for me. The next internal election that the NPP will go for. If another decide not to support Bawumia, nobody should surprise. Nanado all support Bawumia. Me say, if Nanado decides to give Bawumia, on campaign. Me say, so cause one feel no one yana here, don't be surprised. No, Kojo Kyeremanteng suburani. Na nadu wa ni kwa president. Na nadu wa dwom sa Bawumia so ka asem chena wontie. Because from you be how they manage the campaign created chaos and confusion and problems in the NPP. For no. One case wa down for you Jasi. You were free any buy for cab. Oh yes, free you. Yes, any buy for cab. Yes, party campaign ku you. Yes, certain almost. They are you not surprised? Say a former general secretary of the party is around here, man. I'm telling you. I am from Baku or Boise East or Boise West. And I'm a copy of just was sent a year ago. One Kasabi. Dr. China, yeah, can I say, Mikrano Kodoma, woman Kasa. And then also buy to the bay for carbon a few almost I know you, man. Now, may catch us Akufo Addo to move from Kaja to hell with your advice. We can win the election without Kennedy and then Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. In some hole. Now, if you look at what is coming from the eastern region, Nanado so feel disappointed in some people. Say, I've shown you loyalty and support, but our last days, a normal SEC no enyefe. So it is better I also take a decision. One, when it comes to obi omo person or no ba be minority leader. And so what's that information? Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you see Kojo Kyeremanteng. The second or third term. Okay, so my UJ Boakye Agyarko. What say? If you go to parliament, it is a bar. Ghana bar. ABN, with Mabam 1992. Franko Swatchen, Obama 1989. You are a senior, Franko, you senior. Okay. Sasson a parliament one. Ubu have a true view. That person is a senior. So if you're giving positions in terms of committee, you consider Sanoman. The NPP party broke it. When Afenyo Markins was even made the minority leader, go and listen to a infobians Momokai. Because there were senior members Thank you.
Very experienced Afenyo Markins.
Thank you. They had issues with it. Now no utie a year. Ojujumbo change you say a god about catch as a minia. Mamu know you do because they are creating problems for you. Don't change any committees. Or Kasa would say, I don't care. I leave it to you. Asama make I may say, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. I repeat, don't be surprised if Kojo Kyeremanteng, you know, this woman the minority leader of the New Patriotic Party in Parliament. Nipa or pushes Adie. The person want to contest as a flag bearer of the NPP. Well, who say if Afenyo Markins is a minority leader, it is going to affect his chances. As I'm making, they should tell me I'm lying. Nipa na kwa Afenyo Markins and Chia catch and so on one man flag bearer or not in running it.
Nipana or person obey flag bearer from the east.
Don't be surprised. Now Nipa Bakwa from the Eastern Bloc, the Akufo Addo people wants to bring him, and financially is worthy and sound. Aremeyaw Agyapong. As I'm making, as I'm making in the America. Some Kwaku they've seen Afenyo Markins, and they've told Afenyo Markins they want him to be the running mate to Aremeyaw Agyapong. If he accepts, no Kojo Kyeremanteng minority leader.
The Aremeyaw Agyapong, obey far better Afenyo Markins about the running mate, and Afenyo Markins often ask them. I'm
telling you, Shabu.
It's for the partner Kwaku.
Shabu should so. Shabu, me say na ma church ni na me ya.
What you
no kachana diwi. Okay. Yes. Lasisi.
Franko later.
The New Patriotic star omoya some the campaign for 2024 elections. Over share from margin be say.
Be o ma caucus be $150 million.
Shabla Sisi, Minyad now NPP headquarters, $461 million.
Sika $461 million. And I'm some more campaign. Anna, Omar photo say, and I commit $50 million, $100 million. Are they? So almost say, Omun is about Yabelus. No Kobuabu, you must have been can be toward your king. No money is over Lucy. This year, Lucy doesn't own Yakono. Me say, Lasisi, $461 million. And also, money is about maybe Lucy. Thomas spend against $100 million, so I'm keeping Kayano. $361 million in Naka. Next prime is uncle there. But said no money to be able to Lucy. You said, Lucy about me, or crab or content by who? Shall we some who? And then on stuff.
And some who?
And yet before some national council, and yet. It's a bit to feel. Shabu, I repeat again. Ska NPP for $461 million. Ska Ogalo Mucha. You must spend $100 million. Shabu, some who? Tintin Bawumia, Akula quarter more wood, one of them scared a man. Miss say, I say, I use for Ampon, Nepas Kunafi, at Tabita Kumna Kedia more, and so he got some from. I say, in Arabosi. Also, Jimmy and Omazo, there be a never kaka once. Hey, Obia corrupt. Obia corrupt. Franko campaign, no, it won't be address me well. Okay, Franko NPP campaign. Because sharp. Almost last running. Dr. Bawumia, not Dana Samatia. Not John Boda be do a same man by being to Wakampu. Mr. Dana Samo or control Ghana for it. Now MPP and Yafua. And Commonia Champ among the communication for the MPP. I'm asking MPP Yafua. Omania Champon. Never communication for the MPP. Now, no one said Dana Kurampona or Moya final lap. Even Nipana or the vice presidential candidate Krankasa. The party Moku party no one Kazao. Moku. Not the more the immediate past general secretary. John Boat. Oh, Lasisi. The campaign, I do have a man for you. Lasisi. Now, Lasisi, take this to your father. Ken. They want to neutralize him. Also, neutralize Ken. They know Ken will be coming for 2028. And 100%. At the end of November. Thank you. Oh, my God, I'm cut off from them. But people who are loyalists to Ken, who are one Ken, or me pay quite mission money in issues. Afenyo Markins number one. Hey,
papa nipa ben wa hafo. He should be very careful. Extremely careful. Extremely careful. Sabu, extremely careful. Say the man for be say me Kennedy no nya de ketwa. Sabu say the man for be say me Kennedy no. Loyalists of Bawumia will go after him. Now Bawumia after Akufo Addo Bawumia who will be Bawumia. Ni mu do be say what the Ronaldo exist here. Ti asema make. Say Ronaldo e ko fa Kwabena Agyapong ma ba. O Bawumia wan no so wan o mu do ni say. Ada that's what Ato Forson me ma fa we su wo mu. Bawumia so ko na say I ni si ho. I party of we want to catch you. Yeah, obviously no busa. Hey, ni so die. But me na twenda so only the leader of the party. Are I on the party me na ba ko sema na. So now ko party headquarters could lead your mon come na o chairman kasa o say as the leader of the party no say point of correction from Dr. China also there be only leader of the party. We are the immediate leader or the flag bearer of the party. Hey! Bawumia kutuku. Omo say to go pai. Share. Ni fu. Ara woni say election wa we. No, I'm kwacha no wanka. Ara woni say election wa we. No, I'm kwacha no wanka. Want is okay. Ara woni say ni flag bearer bi o. Want. No, I'm kwacha no wanka. The flag bearer she post na end on the 7th December. Oza. Na wa election wa lu so wi a. Ye ni for flag bearer. Any for so about 2028 want. Me say the obit baba aka say una say some ho enta makacho say nyankopon ya aduma yawada ne give you a soldier for national council una soldier for salande party headquarters en some me be see yawada no
yo waiting for winning and someone about better yep no so make out say so when you subscribe ya but more say over subscribe to channel now feel well like video like the video give us a thumbs up now feel share my offer so now when you be here now who and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memu ha also betimi otchere wadwen afaye somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mobati minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.